your name?
My name is Aliza.
But here is a check. You have to put the right check on the right check.
Hello.
Should I do fun?
Yes.
This is coupon. Should I do it for it? I will do one for you. Like this. This is the check of code. You have to put in the front of the respective check. Cylinder.
My name is Ananya Boran. I am showing the verbs with the persons. I am explaining one. Like, it is matching with is. One is shown and put it with correct form of person.
It is she and she is is.
Myself, Aditi Sharma. I am reading class 8. Identify articles here.
And orange.
Okay.
My name is Pandrika Rathod from class 8B, working model on drip irrigation. It is a water tank and it have a drip line attached to it. The drip line have holes just upon the root of plants. Now I'll show how it works. When the water tank have water, it goes through drip line and irrigate the plants drop by drop. It is a boon in areas where availability of water is poor, and it is a very nice method of irrigation because it uses very less water. Thank you.
60. You arrange the part of plants.
Roof.
What? So here the stem will come leaf.
I prepare food for plant.
नमस्कारम आचार्य कलावन्नकम. Hello, अहम तन्मयता व्यास अष्टमी कक्षाय अस्मि. Today on the event of Kishori Mela, I represent a state whose capital is Chennai. It is a state who believe in traditional culture. In there, Olam, also known as Rangoli, is drawn at door of every house, and then girls perform Bharatnatyam, which is official dance form of that state to welcome goddess Lakshmi. Now you guess I am from which state?
So I think you belong to Tamil Nadu.
Oh, you are right. Smart. Thank you.
Kamma Gani, Ram Ram sir. We have to guess from which state we belong to.
Our folk dance is Ghumar and folk song is Kesar Palam.
Famous for dal bati churma and घाघरा चोली.
दूध दही और घी मक्खन की चाले पूरी रेल रे. सारे जगत में कोनी भाई मारो जैसो मेल रे. खेल कबड्डी कुश्ती और भाई बॉक्सिंग में बिछारिया से. बालक हम भारत के खूब धमाल मचारिया से. भीम बली में वीरों वाला अर्जुन कैसे तीरों वाला. गीता का उपदेश दिया जो सुना सभी ने जाना. Yes, from which state I am?
banana, अनार, खीरा, 5.
बैंगन, केला, अनार,
Hello,
Hello.
how was the fair?
The fair was so amazing and it has so different things and so different subjects to deal with. It has mathematics quiz and it has science quiz, it has English quiz and so many quizzes and it was so nice. It has a lot of knowledge to gain within and it was so nice there. Thank you.
हेलो, आपका क्या नाम है? आप इसी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं?
Yes.
कौन सी क्लास में?
Second.
आपने मेला देखा?
Yes.
कैसा लगा आपको?
Better.
कौन सी चीज आपको अच्छी लगी?
Sorry.